Hi guys, today we're going to make salad, which is composed of 2 cabbage, the white one and the purple one. And it is spreaded with Doritos or nacho chips, cheese. So this is Helen anymore. Please continue watch my tutorial if you want to know how I make this salad. So let's go. We need white cabbage, purple cabbage, we need corn, red beans, Kraft cheddar cheese, 1 robe or yogurt. We also need Doritos nacho cheese chips, 1 lemon, and we also need French dressing sauce, the orange one. So first we're going to cut this cabbage into small pieces. So now our purple cabbage is cut into small pieces. Now we are follow the white one. So this is the white cabbage. I cut them into small pieces. Now we're going to put the corn. Then now we're going to put our red kidney beans. Next we're going to slice our cheese by using this slicer. So now it's already been sliced. We're now ready to put it to our salad. So we're going to put the cheese on the top. And then we're now ready to make our sauce. So for our sauce, we need the 1 rope. Okay. Then we squeeze the 1 lemon. Then we put our orange French dressing, the sauce. Okay, then we're going to mix. Then we're going to add a little bit of salt. Then a little bit of cumin powder. Then we're going to mix. Then we're going to put it on the top of our salad. Then you can now mix them. So now it's already mixed. You put the Doritos nacho cheese chips on the top. And that's it. It's now ready to serve. So thank you for watching guys, and God bless us all. Bye bye.